What is up, guys? It's your boy Gravy again, and today I want to talk about basically last year being broke plan, of course. I took a look at FutureNet or Future Ad Pro, and my ads have been getting a lot of clicks lately. Since my last video, I believe I posted a video of me buying 100 views to my website, but I've been getting a lot of clicks lately, and they have been converting. You see here, Future Ad Pros from yesterday, gotten a good number of leads from today. I'm getting leads from Facebook. I'm getting organic leads as well and things like that. So yeah, I'm pretty sure my Future Ad Pro ad has been put on steroids, you know what I'm saying? But I really want to talk about Internet Lifestyle Pros because it has a lot of great information that you would need in your online marketing and business. Basically, all the fundamentals that you may need and things like that. You got free training. I'm actually going to buy some traffic from these guys very, very soon because this traffic right here that you're getting is catered specifically to the power lead system. So the conversion rate will be, I'm pretty sure, I'm not going to say guaranteed sales, but it's going to be a great. I'm gonna have a great list of people coming to my website. Very very targeted people coming to my website. So either way, I'm expecting to get sales, but at the end of the day, I'm building my email list. But I really feel like I can get some sales with Internet Lifestyle Pros traffic. You know, of course you got Udemy, but I really want to buy these. I want to get at least like the smallest package. It's like $90 for like 100 clicks, maybe. Let me see. Yeah, 100 premium clicks for $90, and I really feel like these clicks will convert as well because Internet Lifestyle Pros, this traffic is going to be catered directly to the Power Lead system. So yeah, man, I feel really good about their traffic here. Feel really good about their traffic. And again, they have great information that you need to know. Marketing fundamentals, my power lead system training, everything about Facebook. As you can see, I've gotten some Facebook leads, some leads from Facebook just now from Facebook, and it's very important to take at least 45 hours to really look through each module in the Internet Lifestyle Pros because this is very good information that Tim is providing for us. It's very good information.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Marketing
I want that to
fundamentals.
be too
This is
loud. I just want to just
valuable asset you can ever have.
he goes
Because
he
if you're
goes into
not
all
building your
types of
list, you're losing
traffic
a shit ton of money
traffic you
on it. So
own.
basically, you're combining. Like for
Basically
example,
all these are good. I don't want to
anywhere between
spoil the
five and
beans for you
1,000 dollars.
guys, but yeah, man, this is very good for beginners and even for maybe a little intermediate people or maybe the advanced people. Everybody will learn from Tim because Tim is someone, he's very successful in the internet marketing business. So and he has everything laid out for you. And yeah, man, Internet Lifestyle Pros. I really learned a lot of good information from looking through each video. I've really learned a lot of information as well about online automation, and that's the key. I don't understand why people wanna make this part complicated. You know, you want your business to be on autopilot. You know, you want your business to be on autopilot. You know, you don't want to have to send out emails to 500 people or however big your list is. You don't want to do that manually. It's all about being automated in your business, and that's very important. So I really appreciate you guys for watching the video. I just wanted to make this quick video, just telling you guys about the Feature Ad Pro, my ad on being on steroids, and basically Internet Lifestyle Pros. They're definitely a good tool for you guys to have. You definitely learn all the key information to be successful in internet marketing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the inside.